Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Nobis portable charger, 35 watt power, 10,000 mAh power bank with fast charging options, PDQC 4.0 LED display, and it's a battery pack with USB-C and output device which you can need and use to reload 3 devices in once. Really cool. It's for the iPhone, for any smartphone, for iPad, for example, for Samsung devices, Android smartphones, and so on. It's possible to get this in black, blue, and green. 35 watt fast charging. That means we get a high-speed portable charger with 10,000 mAh capacity with advanced PD3 and QC4 fast charging capabilities. We can refuel our iPhone 15 to 61% or our Samsung S22 Ultra up to 40.9% in just 30 minutes. Almost 3 times faster than the original 2.4 ampere chargers. That's cool. And we have two-way high-speed charging. The Nobis power bank has 2 USB-C input with a maximum of 30 watt. It only takes 1.4 hours to fully charge the portable phone charger. It provides the energy we need to get through the day. And we have an intelligent digital display. This portable charger comes with a built-in high-precision intelligent LED digital display. The energy display accurate is from 0 up to 100%. It makes it easy to keep the track to remaining power. We can charge the external battery when we need it. And we have an intelligent charging protection. The Nobis fast charging power bank smart identification to match different types of mobile phones and provides the best charging solution when the power of the phone is low in the fast charging mode and up to 5 ampere high current and the green fast charge logo indicator. When the phone is almost full with 200 mAh, we trickle charge to protect the phone battery, safe to extend the life of the battery. And we can charge 3 devices at a time. The portable power banks with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port can recharge 3 devices at the same time. With the 3-port design, we can share portable energy with the family and friends. And of course, here it comes, the wide compatibility. The Nobis 10,000 mAh power bank fits any device, including smartphones, tablets, cameras, headphones, earbuds, smartwatches, Kindles, small drones, Apple Watches, watches, USB lamps, USB fans, heating jackets, electric lighters, and so many more. Because it comes with 35 watt laptop fast charging for all our devices' power. 10,000 mAh, 3 ports, digital display, temperature control, airline approved, and bidirectional fast charging. We have 2-way fast charging possibility, in and output 35 watt. And we have 2 Type-C in and out and 1 USB-A output. So single port action means USB-C 35 watt power and USB-A 30 watt power. 2-port charging means 10 watt each. And 3-port charging, 10 watt each. So that is cool, that is nice. And Trickle charging mode. We connect a low current device for charging, such as earbud, watches, etc., which can better protect the device. To activate, double-click the power button. The indicator will start cycling. That means we have overheat protection, over-current protection, over-discharge protection, over-voltage protection, short-circuit protection, overcharge protection. That's all possible with this power bank here, and it's small enough to matches our pocket. Oh, that's cool. The battery is 7.4 volt, 37 watt hour. The output is Type-C 1 time, Type-C 2 times. Maximum 35 watt. And Of course, one USB, maximum 30 watt. We have an input Type-C 1 and Type-C 2. The dimensions are 137 to 70 to 16.8 millimeter. And the weight is 228 grams. This is the Nobis portable charger. That's the power bank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.